What if luxury didn't end at your driveway but followed you across mountains, highways, and hidden valleys? What if elegance could ride on wheels and every sunrise found you in a new home, without ever leaving comfort behind? Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we present the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck, a machine that redefines travel with sophistication, power, and modern living rolled into one extraordinary design. From the first glance, the Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck commands attention. Its towering presence is balanced with sleek, aerodynamic styling, blending rugged truck architecture with the refined curves Mercedes is famous for. The massive front grille, adorned with the iconic three-pointed star, sets the tone for strength and prestige. LED headlamps and chrome accents add a futuristic edge, while the motorhome extension flows seamlessly into the truck's body, creating a vehicle that is both imposing and graceful. Powering this marvel is Mercedes' next-generation hybrid diesel-electric engine. It delivers immense torque for towing and long-haul travel, yet is tuned for quiet efficiency, offering an environmentally responsible drive without compromising performance. Advanced suspension systems smooth out rough terrain, while cutting-edge noise isolation ensures that the cabin remains a sanctuary even on the busiest highways. Whether it's conquering steep climbs or cruising endless interstates, this camper truck delivers reliability and refinement in equal measure. The driver's cockpit reflects Mercedes' long tradition of excellence. Ergonomically designed captain's chairs wrapped in fine leather provide long-distance comfort. A panoramic digital dashboard gives the driver full control over navigation, performance, and entertainment. Intelligent safety features, like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance, make this massive vehicle surprisingly easy to command. Mercedes' reputation for safety extends seamlessly into the motorhome world, ensuring every journey is as secure as it is exciting. Step into the living space, and you enter a world of unmatched luxury. The interior is designed like a modern apartment, with open layouts and fine materials throughout. The lounge offers plush sofas, a fold-out dining area, and panoramic windows that bring natural light and sweeping views into the space. Every detail, from polished wood finishes to ambient LED lighting, creates an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The kitchen continues this theme of sophistication. Equipped with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and ample storage, it allows gourmet cooking on the move. Cleverly designed compartments keep everything organized, while sleek finishes give it the feel of a home kitchen rather than a mobile unit. In the sleeping quarters, luxury takes center stage. A queen-size bed with a memory foam mattress ensures restful nights, while high-end fabrics and subtle lighting provide a calming retreat. Overhead cabinets and wardrobes make long-term travel practical, giving you room for all your essentials. The bathroom completes the home-like experience, featuring a full shower, sink, and eco-friendly water system, all designed with Mercedes' attention to detail and quality. Technology is everywhere in the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck. A centralized smart hub allows you to control climate, lighting, entertainment, and power systems with ease. Solar panels and advanced batteries make off-grid living possible, while integrated Wi-Fi and premium audio keep you connected and entertained. It's a seamless blend of freedom and modern convenience. More than just a vehicle, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck is a lifestyle statement. It carries Mercedes' DNA of luxury and innovation into the world of exploration, offering travelers a chance to roam without leaving behind the comforts of home. Every mile is refined, every stop unforgettable, and every journey a new chapter in the story of freedom. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing motorhome adventures.